Go to Settings, find Airplane Mode, and turn it on. Wait for about 40 seconds, then turn it off. This can help refresh your network connection. Next, try turning off Bluetooth. Sometimes, Bluetooth can interfere with your network and cause calls to drop. Go back to Settings, tap on Bluetooth, and simply turn it off. If you still have issue, try to select your network manually. Go to Main Screen of Settings. Then click on the Mobile Service. And then click on the Network selection. And then turn off Automatic. Your phone will search for available networks. Choose your network and restart your device. Another effective solution is resetting your network settings. Go to Settings. Then General. Tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. And choose Reset Network Settings. This won't delete any saved data on your iPhone, but you'll need to re-enter Wi-Fi passwords. And that's it.